Welcome to the 21 Things for Educators. You can find us on Twitter at 21things4 or hashtag 21things4 or on the web at 21things4educators.net. I'm Dr. Jennifer Parker, one of the original creators of the 21 Things for Nation, a suite of websites that curates free resources on the web for you to use in teaching and learning. On the 21 Things for Educators site, today we're going to focus on the Pick a Thing, and we're going to look at Thing 19, Assessment and Analysis. When you click on the thing, you're going to be brought to the Assessment and Analysis page or thing, where we define, connect, and apply all resources that are free or freely available on assessment and analysis. A reminder that all of our resources are aligned to the ISTE standards for educators and that we have earned our seal of alignment from the ISTE organization. We start our journey by going into Define, and Define is all about where you're going to learn what is assessment and analysis and what are some of the free resources that are out there. You'll move through your journey by clicking through several of the interactive links and get a real true feeling for what is out there for assessment and analysis to help you in your classroom. One of the great resources that you'll find on the Define page is one of our tool evaluation templates. If you are to find some great resources that you want to use in your classroom, of course you would want to go through the proper channels in your district to have those tools or apps or resources approved. Here's a great tool evaluator resource where you can go through and check the data privacy settings, the requirements for creating accounts, what it might look like on different tools or apps or devices, the cost, as well as the URL. Moving on, you'll next go to the Connect page where you find resources for teaching and learning, such as places for you to learn more about assessment and analysis or to implement some resources in your classroom. Lastly, you'll come to the Apply page where you're going to be asked to take your learning that you've chosen to do in Define and Connect and move it through a modeling, sharing, teaching, analyzing, designing, integrating, advocating, or assessing. And lastly, after you've learned all you can with applying assessment and analysis, you're going to move into additional resources where you might want to find things that didn't quite make it to prime time on the things. Feel free to search the Awesome Index by thing, by type, by ISTE standard, or even by additional information such as tools or tool types. So with that said, I am back to 21 Things for Educators. I'm Dr. Jennifer Parker. Thanks everyone for being here. And remember, free is good. Keep it free. And on behalf of myself and the 21 Things for Nation, make it a great day.